right, we're back at my place here at the tractor. It's a 19, I believe 56. I'm not 100% sure. I've never ran the numbers on it, but it's an International 300 utility. We've had this in the family since it was brand new. My dad's uncle bought it, and then when he passed away, we later on bought it from the state, basically. But there she is. I think it's rated around 30 horsepower, maybe 35. It's got a 4-cylinder gas engine, liquid cooled. She's got a 4-speed, 5-speed. Yeah, it's a 5-speed with reverse. I want to say that hour meter's not right, but I never paid attention to it to see if it's working, to be honest with you. It says 2,133 hours. It may be. This was his little planting tractor. Oh yeah. There's the cylinder. It lifts the discs or the plows. Not sure the weight of it or anything like that. I'd say it's a handy little tractor. We've had it forever. It's got the 2-point quick hitch, which I despise, but it is what it is. It's just a pain in the ass to hook stuff up, but back in the day that was supposedly the cat's ass. But we're pulling a 3-bottom International plow. I used to know the number of it. Of course, you can see it's kind of rusty a little bit, so the stickers are probably, they're gone. But yeah, there's how you adjust the settings on the plow, which I'll get into. I got to do that right there. That arm will go up and down. That's your tilt back and forward. But for what I do and for what we do around the farm, it's pretty handy. We don't have any other tractors. The actual farm ground we got, we rent it out to another farmer that farms it. But like I said, it's never gonna go anywhere. It's been in our family since it's brand new. It's looking a little aged, but what do you expect out of something that old? It's 2020 now, so it still runs and purrs like a kitten. So anyways, I'm gonna hop on this bitch and get the plow set and go from there.